So this video is about power set. So let's first see that what actually this power set is. So power set is basically a set of all the possible subsets of a given set. So subsets are the sets which can be taken out from a bigger set. So they are known as a subsets. If you have any problem regarding subset, you can watch my video on subset as well. Let's start off. Let's try to understand it by help of very interesting example. So here you can see three different flavors of ice cream. The first one is the strawberry flavor, vanilla flavor, and the chocolate flavor. Okay, so now let's see that in how many ways can we choose these flavors. The first possibility could be that we do not choose any flavor from it. Maybe we don't like these flavors. Okay, so choosing nothing. So this is the first choice. The second choice could be choosing a single flavor, choosing a chocolate flavor. The other choice could be choosing a strawberry flavor or a vanilla flavor. This is how you choose a single flavor. We can also go with the two choices at the same time, like choosing one scoop of chocolate flavor and the other scoop of strawberry flavor, chocolate flavor with the vanilla flavor. We can also choose strawberry and vanilla flavor. So these are the choices that we can make in two scoops. One of the possibility could be we can choose all the flavors. So we can one scoop of chocolate, the other scoop of strawberry, and the third scoop of vanilla flavor. So these are the number of possible choices that can be made out of these three flavors. So these three flavors can give up such a great deal of options. So it's basically a power set. I hope that it's easier now to understand. So there are 8 possible ways or the 8 possible subsets. So is there any way to know before how many subsets would be possible of a given set? Yes, there's a formula. So the formula is 2 to the power n. So if you plug in the n here, you would come to know that how many subsets would be possible before actually writing it down, where n is the number of elements. So if I consider this as a set, so here we have 3 elements. So let's plug 2 to the power 3, so it would be 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 2 is 8. Now you can see here we have 8 possible subsets here. So now let's do some practice. So now it's practice time. So we have 2 sets here. Let's try to find out the possible number of subsets in the given sets. So here we will first take out the number of subsets possible. So I told you the formula 2 to the power n. So 2 to the power n to know before how many subsets would be there. So here we have only one element. So 2 to the power 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So there is 2 subsets of this set. The first subset of any given set is an empty set. And here the other set could be A, since it's just a one element. Remember, power sets are always written in the square bracket. So this is the power set. Okay, so these are the possible subsets, so it makes the power set, right? Okay, now let's try this one. So let's first find out that how many subsets would be there in our power set. So 2 to the power n, since n here is 2 because we have 2 elements. Okay, so 2 to the power 2, it means 2 into 2, and 2 into 2 is 4. That means in our power set of this given set, we would have four subsets. Let's make the subsets. So the first set is the null set or the empty set. Then we have 1, we can choose 1. Then we have 2, and then 1, 2. So we have four possible subsets, yes, and now we put that into the square bracket. So this is the power set of this given set. I hope it's clear now. Let's try one more with the three elements. So here we have n equals to 3, so 2 to the power n is equals to 2 to the power 3. It means 2 3 times. So 2 into 2 is 4, and 4 into 2 is 8. That means there would be 8 subsets in our power set. Okay, so first set you all know would be the empty set. The second set would be the first entry x, the single entries basically. So z, then we are going to choose 2. Let's make the set of xy, then let's make a set of xz, right? Then z, yz. Okay, so how many sets up till now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the last but not least would be the same set with all the 3 entries. So this is the power set with the 8 subsets possible. So have a happy learning. So I hope you found this video useful. Now you have a clear concept of power set. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.